Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're taking a really close look at the F3430-24B Gas 48-inch range with a raised griddle broiler. Now, I know what you're thinking, 48 inches? That's massive. But honestly, when you're in the market for a professional style range that can handle a serious amount of cooking at home, this is exactly the kind of machine you want. First off, let's talk about the design. The F3430-24B comes in a sleek, modern finish that immediately screams high-end kitchen, and it's not just about looks. The layout is extremely functional. You have multiple burners across the top, which gives you flexibility if you're juggling pots and pans of different sizes. What's really interesting here is the raised griddle broiler section. It's elevated above the main cooktop, which is perfect if you want to sear, grill, or broil without having to use a separate appliance. It's like having a restaurant kitchen built right into your home. The burners themselves are incredibly powerful. We're talking high BTU output here, which means rapid heating and precise control. One of my favorite things about ranges like this is the way you can go from a simmer to a full-on boil in seconds. It's responsiveness like this that makes a huge difference if you're serious about cooking. Now, let's dive into the griddle. The raised griddle broiler isn't just an add-on, it's integrated in a way that gives you direct heat from the burners below, allowing you to get those perfect grill marks on meats, vegetables, or even pancakes if that's your weekend ritual. And because it's raised, you have more space underneath for smaller burners or pots, so you're not losing valuable cooking real estate. Another thing that really stands out about the F3430-24B is the build quality. Everything from the knobs to the oven doors feels solid and premium. When you turn a knob, you get that satisfying, precise resistance. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. This is the kind of tactile feedback that serious home chefs and even professionals appreciate. Maintenance is surprisingly straightforward. Stainless steel surfaces make wiping down spills much easier, and the griddle section has removable plates that make cleaning a breeze. For a range of this size and power, having components that are easy to maintain is crucial. You don't want to be spending hours scrubbing after every cook session. Performance-wise, this range is versatile. You can cook multiple dishes at once thanks to the combination of burners and the raised griddle. Whether you're boiling pasta, frying vegetables, searing steaks, or broiling fish, the heat distribution is even and reliable. One of the things I always test on ranges like this is consistency, and the F3430-24B delivers every time. No hot spots, no uneven cooking, just predictable, professional-grade results. Energy efficiency is also something worth noting. Gas ranges are already known for instant heat and control, but this model maximizes that by allowing you to use exactly the amount of heat you need. The burners are calibrated for precision, so you're not wasting energy or overcooking your food. In terms of kitchen integration, a 48-inch range is definitely a statement piece. You need the counter space for it, but once it's installed, it transforms the entire cooking experience.